This first tutorial is going to show you how to install the JDK Java Development Kit and what needs to be done on your computer so you can start making your own Java applications and applets. I'm using Windows 7. Now if you go in on your Start button and Computer, Local Disk, Program Files, and Java, you're going to come to a new folder called JRE. Now, to run Java applications and applets, you must have a copy of the JRE, which stands for the Java Runtime Environment. Either your computer came with it installed or you have it already downloaded. But if you want to develop Java applications and applets, you need the JDK. This package also includes the JRE if you don't already have it installed. Now, the JDK gives you the compiler Javac, which you need to compile the programs you make so you can run them. Let's get on the internet, and I have a Google toolbar here, and I'm going to type in download JDK, and as you can see here we have plenty of sites where we can download JDK, but for the sake of this tutorial, let's go on the top here and write java.sun.com, and that should bring us right to the main website. And on the downloads here, what we want is Java SE, and SE stands for Standard Edition. And this gives us an icon here, Java Download, which has the JDK. Click on it, and here you see it says Java SE Development Kit 6U20. The U stands for update, so this is update 20. They update quite frequently, so in the near future you might see update 25 or Development Kit 7, update 4. Now we're going to choose our platform, and we want Windows. But before you do so, click on the arrow pointing down. Here you have some options for Windows. Windows Intel Itanium and Windows 64 in case you have that. And you have an option here to use the Sun Download Manager. It does have some advantages, and if you want, it has a link here to learn more. For now, we will just skip this option. Just click on the download, and the same goes for the next option here. If you are a registered user, you can log in for a download or create a new account. We are going to skip this step. And right now, some of you might get a yellow line on top of your screen. Read it. Click here for options. Click on the yellow line and choose the option to download file. And if you have tried this earlier and either succeeded or not, you might get a warning like this one. Just click retry. And now we get a file download security warning. We can run this file, but what we actually want to do for this tutorial is we want to save it. And you see the name here, JDK 6U20 Windows i586.exe. And this file now is going to download to my downloads folder. And you can decide if you want to download it somewhere else. As for myself, I like having files and programs download into this folder. Just click Save. If you are unsure where this folder exists on your computer, look here. It says Download to, C, Users, Go to, and then Downloads. Now, after your download is complete, click on the Open Folder, and it brings you to the download folder. You can click on Run, but for now, Open Folder. And you're now in your own downloads folder. And Here you see JDK 6U20, and as stated earlier, it doesn't say exe anymore, but right click the file and properties, and you see type of file application exe, and just click OK. We're now going to install this file, so double click it. Accept the license agreement, and if you're a beginner, just leave everything as is, and see here where it installs to C program files Java JDK. Click next. We do not need product registration as of now, so just click finish. The program is now installed on our computer, and you can go off the internet. Now click start, write CMD for the command prompt. Now, even though JDK is installed on the computer, the system still doesn't know where to look for that Java compiler. Let's just try it. And we're going to see that it's not recognized. So exit and click the start button. Computer, local disk, program files, Java, and we have a new folder here, JDK. Open it and go in on the bin folder. Right click the applet viewer and properties, and you see here a location, C program files. This is what we want, all the way to the bin. That's very important. Right click and copy it, and exit out of all the windows. And we're now going in on the start button again. Right click computer this time and properties. Go in on advanced system settings and environment variables, and here on user variables for yourself, click on new and write in the variable name path and variable value. Right click and paste the address we just copied with the bin and click OK and OK. Now you might have to start the computer again. We're going to check that. Go in on the command prompt again and write Java. And as you can see, it is working. We have installed JDK and the system knows where to find the Java compiler. This was a very detailed description on downloading and installing JDK and making the system understand where the Java compiler is. I hope it works for you. Just remember that before you can make the new path and variable value work, you might have to restart your computer. In our next tutorial, we will make our very first Java program, Hello World, compile it, and run it through the command prompt. I hope you enjoyed the video, and until next time.